Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to present what we believe is the best portable electric lunchbox on the market right now. The KENNEDICH Electric Lunchbox. Whether you're heading to the office, taking a road trip, or just want to enjoy a hot meal wherever you are, this lunchbox is designed with you in mind. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. This electric lunchbox boasts an impressive 80 watts of power, equipped with intelligent thermostatic control. With its digital temperature display and 6 temperature settings ranging from 50 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, you can be sure that your meals are heated to perfection. No more cold leftovers or soggy sandwiches, just delicious, warm food ready to eat. One of the standout features of this lunchbox is its versatility. It supports 3 different voltage systems, 12 volts for cars, 24 volts for trucks, and 110 volts for home or office use. So whether you're on a long drive, parked at a construction site, or sitting at your desk, this lunchbox has you covered. It's incredibly easy to switch between settings, allowing you to heat your meals conveniently wherever you are. Next up is the design. This lunchbox comes with a spacious 3-liter capacity, which includes a 1.8-liter stainless steel container for your main dish, a 1-liter polypropylene fruit container, and an additional 0.45-liter compartment for snacks or sides. This flexibility allows you to heat multiple items at once, or keep your fruits separate to maintain their freshness. And let's not forget about convenience. The KENNEDICH Electric Lunchbox comes with additional accessories, including a set of stainless steel cutlery, a spoon and fork, and a matching lunch bag that provides excellent heat retention. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry your meal from place to place without hassle. Now, for those who value sustainability and safety, this lunchbox is made from high-quality materials. The stainless steel container is not only durable but also easy to clean, ensuring that your meals stay fresh without absorbing odors. Plus, the lunchbox features a leak-resistant design, so you can transport soups or sauces without worry. Overall, the KENNEDICH Electric Lunchbox is a game-changer for anyone who wants to enjoy home-cooked meals on the go. With its powerful heating capabilities, thoughtful design, and portable nature, it perfectly caters to busy lifestyles. So if you're tired of cold lunches or constantly relying on takeout, this electric lunchbox might just be the solution you need. The convenience it offers can truly enhance your daily routine, allowing you to savor your favorite meals anywhere, anytime. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, enjoy your meals on the go.